Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Floor Arts by Elsa, and we're getting ready to start another video. So for this one, we're going to continue on with our black base series that I have going on here. My colors today are going to be turquoise. So all shades of turquoise on a black base background, and we'll see how that turns out. I don't have anything to show you. My painting is still drying from my previous video. So we're just gonna go ahead, dive in. Don't forget to click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell, that way you're notified anytime I have new content. Thank you for joining me here, and let's go ahead and get started. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, so here we are again. I am working on a Flow Acrylic Black by artist Loft, and we're gonna work on a 12 by this one actually is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I'm gonna go ahead, flood the canvas, and we'll be right back. Let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so there we are, and we've been using the same composition, so we'll do the same for this one. I am starting with Pearl Blue by Amsterdam. So it's gonna go here. Okay. Next I have Turquoise Green by Amsterdam. Okay. Next I have Deep Turquoise by Winsor and Newton. I'm liking these colors already. Next I have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. Okay. And last, I have a lighter at the top, and this is Pearl Glacier Blue by Arteza. So those are my colors. I'm gonna go ahead and torch out the air bubbles once again. There we are. And let's go ahead and blow it out. And I'm gonna start right here in the center. Wow. Excuse me. Wow, how gorgeous this is. I love the color palette. I am going to use my tweezers. I think I see something in here. Oh, maybe it was just the paint. It was just the paint. Okay. Wow, that's gorgeous. I love it. I don't think there's anything I want to do here. Nope. Just kind of tweaking the outer parts here. Okay. Oh, I love it. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm going to torch it out a little bit more. Okay, that's gorgeous. I am going to clean up my edges, bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone, thank you so much. So I am here to show you, look how gorgeous this is. Love the microcellular cells here. But first, before anything, tell me what you think about this color palette. Take a look at that. Gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. I am loving this palette. And I love the blowout, love the motion it has. Absolutely very, very pretty. So let's take a look at these cells. Love the streak of color there. Love how it fans out. Look at those cells encasing the different colors here at the edge. And then as we move on to the top, I love the streak of colors here along the outline, the outside. Love the cells here. That webbing is absolutely beautiful. And then it branches out to the next petal. And you can see those shades of turquoise green within the painting here. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like this color palette. So far I have 3 with the black base. So this is a black base series. Let's see, we'll do a couple more colors. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what color palette you'd like to see next. Thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.